Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix connecting to the iTunes Store on iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that you are seeing a loading display that your iTunes is connected or connecting to iTunes, let's see how can you fix that. So it might be a network issue. Now to fix that, you have to close your window. For example, if you're using App Store or if you're using iTunes Store. So let's open iTunes Store here. So if you're using iTunes Store and you're facing the issue, so you have to close recent apps or recent apps your iTunes. Once you have closed, you have to reopen or you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So you have to refresh your network. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this your volume up, then volume down, then press on the hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. It will make a force restart your device and then open your settings here, go for general here. You have to check that you're not connected to any VPN, so open VPN device management settings. Or if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that and then go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network setting, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, hotspot, including your AirDrops. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, you should be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.